In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide to using Meshnet. Meshnet is a secure way to link your devices together through the NordVPN app, so they can talk to each other as if they're on the same local network, even when you're miles apart. It's great for fast file sharing, safe remote access, and routing traffic through a trusted device for extra privacy. Start by installing the NordVPN app on every device you plan to use. Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, or Android are all supported. Download it from the official website or your device's app store to ensure you're getting a legitimate version. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your account. If your device asks for network permissions, allow them so Meshnet can work correctly. Keeping the app up to date helps avoid connection issues. Next, enable Meshnet inside the app. Head into Settings and look for the Meshnet section. Toggle it on and follow any prompts you see. You'll be asked to give your device a nickname. Choose something clear and memorable like work laptop or home desktop so you can identify it at a glance. If your operating system pops up a firewall or permission request, approve it to let Meshnet create secure connections. With Meshnet on, your devices that use the same account will automatically discover each other when they're online. Make sure Meshnet is enabled on each device you want to link. If you want to connect with someone else, you can invite them by sharing your Nord name, which is your device's unique identifier inside Meshnet. Only share this with people you trust, and remember that you'll need to accept their requests before any connection is established. You can manage or remove connections at any time inside the app. Now you can start using Meshnet. For file sharing, simply drag and drop files between connected devices within the app interface. It's encrypted end-to-end and works best when both devices are online and not in sleep mode. For remote access, use Meshnet to reach your home computer, media server, or other devices as though you're on the same Wi-Fi. Just be sure remote services on that device are enabled and it stays powered on. For extra privacy, you can route your internet traffic through a specific device you control, such as one at home. This is useful when traveling or accessing content as if you were in your home region. Keep an eye on data usage and turn routing off when you're done. That's all you need to get Meshnet up and running. Install, enable, connect, and enjoy secure links between your devices.